Anything she needs, she can call me. Don't worry about it, that's my seed, oh, that's all me. Just know if you cross her, then you cross me, cross me, cross me. If you. Anything she needs, she can call me. Don't worry about it, that's my seed, oh, that's all me. Just know if you cross her, then you cross me, cross me, cross me. If you.
And she ain't messing with no other man. Me and her, something different. I really need all you to understand that nobody's coming close, and I don't ever wanna run around. I spent my youth jumping in and out, but you know I fucking love her now, like nobody ever could. And you know I stay tripping, am I crazy? Oh no, I'm sticking with my baby for sure. Together or solo, it doesn't matter where we are. Oh no, no. So if you hear about my lady, just know that she ain't the one to play with. Oh no, and I'll be standing so close, so you know that. Hey.
Anything she needs, she can call me. Don't worry about it, that's my seed, oh, that's all me. Just know if you cross her, then you cross me, cross me, cross me. If you
cross her, then you cross me, and nobody's coming close, yeah. And I think that you should know that if you cross her,
anything she needs, she can call me.
You cross
Don't
me.
worry about it, that's my seed, oh, that's all me.
so come on, let it go. Oh, I think that you should know.
And she ain't messing with no other man. Now what you not gonna do is stand there across from me like you got kung fu. That stare cross arm, running your mouth like a faucet. But you don't know that my girl been doing CrossFit. Kung pop, hit your ass with a cross kick. Pulling air out, way out, you exhausted. Know she gonna slide anytime you bitches talk shit. Keep a little blade and a fucking lip gloss kid. No one say hi to me without her. Better pay your respect to the queen. Better do that shit without a flirt. Gotta respect the HBIC. Couple of things that you need to know if you still wanna be friends with
Just
me.
know if you cross her, then you cross me, cross me, cross me.
I know I've given up 100 times before, but I know a miracle is not something to ignore. You take me for a fool. You take me for a fool. I never knew anybody till I knew you. I never knew anybody till I knew you. And I know when it rains or it pours. And I know I was born to be yours. I never knew anybody till I knew you. I never knew anybody
meals and staying up through the night. We make reservations for the places we know we never tried. But then, oh, we found some rich love. I remember feeling broke as a bottle of wine. I didn't move to the city to count on my pennies of worship the Hollywood sign. Just say, hey man, nice to meet you. They should take everyone last time. And I know, 'cause I found some fake love. Broke as a bottle of wine, but drink with you all damn night. Not trying to trade up, 'cause if we don't find money, then what we got, honey, is just enough. We got some rich love. Just say, hey man. Just say, hey man, nice to meet you. Just say, hey man, nice to meet you. You should take it one last time, and I know. Do you remember dancing at parties out in the yard? We would piss off the neighbors, they'd eventually call the cops. And I was saving up for something, hoping life would finally start. 'Cause oh, we had some new love. Broke as a bottle of wine, but drink with you all damn night.
We're slowing down.
We got some rich love. Just say, hey man. Just say, hey man, nice to meet you. Just say, hey man, nice to meet you. You should take it one last time, and I know.
We're broke as a bottle of wine. Broke as a bottle of wine. Broke as a bottle of wine.
If we don't find money, what we got, honey, lifts it up. We got some rich love. Just say, hey man. Just say, hey man, nice to meet you.
Broke as a bottle of wine.
We got money, lifts it up. We got some rich love.
Broke as a bottle of wine. Broke as a bottle of wine. Broke as a bottle of wine. Bottle of wine. We're broke as a bottle of wine. Broke as a bottle of wine.
We got money, lifts it up. We got some rich love.